Time series analysis is a statistical method used to analyze, model, and forecast time-based data. It is used to understand trends, patterns, and relationship within the data over time. A time series is a set of data points collected at regular time intervals, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. The data points can be any type of measurement, such as stock prices, temperature, or sales figures. There are several techniques used in time series analysis, such as trend analysis, seasonal analysis, and forecasting. Trend analysis is used to identify long-term patterns in the data, such as a general upward or downward trend. Seasonal analysis is used to identify patterns that repeat over a specific time period, such as a yearly or weekly pattern. Forecasting is used to predict future values based on the historical data. One of the most commonly used models in time series analysis is the ARIMA model. ARIMA decomposes the time series into three components: trend, seasonality, and residuals. It allows to model and forecast the time series taking into account these different components. It's important to note that time series data can be affected by external factors called exogenous variables, which can affect the data. So it's important to account for these factors in the analysis. In conclusion, time series analysis is a statistical method used to analyze, model, and forecast time-based data. It involves using techniques such as trend analysis, seasonal analysis, and forecasting to understand patterns and relationships within the data over time. One of the most commonly used models in time series analysis is the ARIMA model, which decomposes the time series into three components: trend, seasonality, and residuals. It's important to note that time series data can be affected by external factors called exogenous variables, which must be considered in the analysis. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about time series analysis. Remember, if you don't subscribe to our channel, you might as well be rolling dice with your education. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of statisticians in training. And if you're feeling extra generous, hit the like button too. It's like a game of chance. The more likes we have, the better our odds of success. See you in the next episode.